2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado and possibly even GMC 1500. We're going to be replacing the gear shift linkage bushing. This is the Doorman OE fix, part number 14104. This is what it looks like. That end's gonna butt up to the transmission. That end's gonna stick out towards the driver's side. It recommends to drop this into warm water, soften it, install it. Let's go. All right, here's the gear shifter linkage. Okay, there's supposed to be the bushing in there. It goes up in there like so. You got to remove the old one, whatever's left. So this is what was left, and that was right there on that. That's what was left right there on that little nipple end. So what we got here is the new one that's in the warm water. Where you at? Okay. They recommended to soften that, and let's see if that worked. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it like so. I'll be right back to show you. Okay, so I did the hot water, and this is a little bit tricky. But before you do any of this, just make sure that you put a wheel chuck underneath your tire, just in the event that, you know, just a safety precaution. I'm gonna go ahead and get just a little bit of lubricant and see if the lubricant actually helps this go on a little bit better. All right, so we're gonna change this up. Hot water did not work. A pair of channel locks did not work. It's pretty stiff. So what I did was I cut the tabs off. What we're gonna use is a 13 millimeter socket and a 6-inch C-clamp. What I'm gonna do is put this on the back side, right? So when I press the bushing in, and I use the C-clamp, which I'll show you once I get it all on there, it can go through there, hopefully. Let's try that. Here's what we did. See how I got that socket in there? Now this has a flat base, and the bushing that butts up to the transmission. Okay, you want to make sure you have those right ends. 13 millimeter socket, just like that, and you'll feel it pop. So now the bushing is in. I definitely recommend doing it that way, much easier. Now that nipple end is on the outside to that, so we'll go ahead and slide that on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a pair of channel locks on that. But that should be it. Hope this was helpful.